Hello guys! So, nandito na kami sa aming pupuntahan but dumaan muna kami dito sa Bangkos. Look at the place guys. Very nature. Aakyatin kami maya-maya. So, see you there. Let's just enjoy the view. Okay guys, we're here! Fresh. Diba? We're going to measure first the road. Later again. Oh! Yes. Speechless, guys. Gotta be speechless at this nature. Yay. So, ito na nga guys. Uulan na. Whew. Pag ano naman, no? Yung ulan, no? Magsisilong tayo. So, ito. Equipments here. This is the backhoe. And this is the fiber ruler. And also, that's the grader. So, here we go again. Tumila na yung ulan, guys. So, here, ito yung end of the project. So, let me show you something. Ito yung box culvert. Tawag ito is 3-barrel box culvert or RCBC. Yun. See, guys. Ito yung ano. Hindi ko nabasa. Ooh. Okay.